Making money online is a very difficult task when you've invested time, money, and effort but still got practically none retained. This video will show you how to make money online for free. Today, I will show you an incredible system that will pay you $2.5 for every 30 seconds you work on this website. You can use your laptop or cell phone to search this website. All you need to do is watch this full video to learn every step that makes your work easy. You can earn more than $100 a day just by doing this. All you need is a laptop, a cell phone, and an internet connection. That's it. You can now make money online without any hassle. But before you prepare all those gadgets, you also need an internet connection. Because how can we do all these methods without getting online first using our gadgets, right? Here on this channel, this method today is absolutely free, and this is available worldwide. I suggest that you watch this video until the very end. Do not be afraid to watch this video and also try on your own because this is not a scam. I will assure you that this method is very easy to use and you will not regret it. So what are you waiting for? Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. The very first step you should do is to sign in your Gmail account. You are probably currently signed in, however, in case you're not, kindly do as such now, so if you don't as of now have one, sign up and make one. The second step you need to do is to open the website. This site will give you social media management for other people on this website, yet you don't need any social media supporters for this. This site is utilized by a lot of people who don't have much free time, and the way we're gonna use it is unique. All you need to do now is look down to the lower part of the page and click on affiliate or referral here, and we will advertise this site as an affiliate. Anyway, in all honesty, we won't utilize a single social media website to do as such, and this will be a truly interesting technique. Anyway, have a look at this. As an affiliate, you make up to $420 for each and every client by advertising on this site. You can see that you will get 35% of all payments made by someone you directed here paid in Crowdfire, which is already a significant sum. Before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. The commission of 35% is not bad at all, okay? You can see that you will earn money on this site, and because joining their affiliate program is free, you do not have to invest anything and can start earning money with this site even if you don't have a single dollar in your bank account. They also provide speedy payouts so you won't have to wait long to get paid. You can make as much as you need with this since it has limitless earning potential. Finally, you have complete information on how much money you've made, thanks to easy tracking and reports. This is how it works. To begin, you must first register and obtain your referral or affiliate link. When someone clicks on that link, it takes them to crowdfireapp.com. Anyway, if a similar individual went to the site through your link and chose to pay for it, you will get a part of the cash they put into it. Now, promoting your link. It's how you get more people to click on it, and the more you advertise it, the more people will be able to click on it, which means more money for you. Now, the site I've been talking about is crowdfireapp.com. Aside from this, it makes no difference where you post your link, okay? You have complete freedom to share it wherever you choose as long as it generates clicks. Finally, you earn a part of certain people's payments when they sign up for the site. The following thing I'd prefer to show you is something I'm certain you will see as fascinating. I'm going to show you exactly how much money you make right now. You may find out more about that, but go to the next page by clicking on pricing. As you can see, a Crowdfire has 4 different pricing options, one of which is free and the other 3 of which are charged. It accepts both annual and monthly payments, with annual payments receiving a slight discount. Now, I'm going to tell you the best way to connect with individuals you want to reach out to. People we know have a large budget, which means they will have more money to spend and will be much more ready to pay for the VIP animal plan, which will make you roughly $300 per year for a single customer if you do the math. This actually has a lot of potential. As you can see, signing up for 10 customers equals $3,000 in savings. 100 is equal to $30,000. Stay with me since I will tell you the best way to reach a large number of people and earn a lot of money. Taking a step back, you should return to this page and click on Join Now to create your account. If you want, you can also join up using Google. In any case, I'm going to log into my account right now so I can show you how everything looks when you do. So when you log into your brand new account, this is exactly what you will see. As you can see, this is not Crowdfire's website, but they will show you a list of companies that you can advertise on and its affiliates right here. Your task is to locate Crowdfire and select Join Program. When you've done that, you will be transported to the dashboard where you may keep track of your earnings. What's more is, you will be able to find your affiliate link here. You know you want to copy it and transfer it to the next platform, which is bit.ly.com. Some of you may be already aware that this website shortens any URL. This is because affiliate links are typically quite long, and reducing them will make them appear more appealing. So paste the link in here and click shorten it, and it will automatically shorten it for you. Let's see how you get users to click on your link and how you will generate traffic now that that's done. Gmail will be our primary method of communication. Simply click on Compose to right here. Input the actual email that you will be sending to a large number of individuals and then copy and paste this one for the rest. In any case, you should copy and paste the text over here. You will then paste your affiliate link here. Also here where it reads the name, you will type in your name. After you've completed all of that, we will need to find people to whom we can distribute this, which I will show you how to do right now. Simply go to Google and type in top social media marketing companies in the search box, and you will see tens of thousands of results, and all it takes is a handful of them to join up 3 affiliate links for you to make a sizable passive income profit. Now, as for which page you should visit, I suggest you start with this one. Check it out! There are over 35,000 companies listed, which represents a large number of potential clients. These guys are the ideal customers for Crowdfire. Remember, we're talking about businesses here, not individuals. So there's a better likelihood that they will use Crowdfire's more expensive payment choices. In addition, you would like to obtain their email address. To do so, simply click on Visit Website and open any of this. Then look for the contact information, which is usually near the top or bottom of the page. In my case, it's right here. I can discover the email address on the next page, and all we have to do now is copy this, return here, then paste it and then send this message to them. After that, you should repeat the process with each of these other businesses. The best part about this method is that there are thousands of organizations to choose from. If you recall from before, simply 100 new clients could equal $30,000 in passive income each year for you. So all you have to do is refer them to the website and you start earning recurring commissions, which you don't have to keep looking for consumers to get paid. All you have to do is to do it once and you're totally done. You want to leave it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comments section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!